Hey guys, it's Friday. Look, it's at 12 o'clock. A little bit late, just a skosh late on making the video. I'm at South-Tube right now. I got tied up in drinking and whatnot. And 11:58, I realized I needed to go make my video. So I just got my laptop. Mom said to make it through the phone when none of that shit works out. Doesn't have a way. So I'm getting in the elevator. And there we go. So you're gonna ride the elevator down with me. I'm going to the lobby where everybody else for South-Tube is hanging out. I'll let everybody say hey, and tomorrow's the video. Here we go. Okay.
When I made it, I'm gonna
Say hey.
Hey! Hey girl, hey! This is Jamie's. Is this your last video?
Tomorrow will be my last one.
Okay, this is your next to the last video. I just got the leftovers from Jim from town brought me leftovers from Papacitos, and we're drinking beer and having a good time at South-Tube. And I don't like making videos when you can watch yourself. It's very distracting. Okay, yeah, now I can make it. Okay, that defeats the purpose.
That's how I do all my videos.
Now I know how Allie
Do you watch
feels.
yourself doing your videos?
I don't watch it on Facebook. I watch it after.
I have to watch myself. That's why you get this.
Say good night, Al.
Good night, Al. What are you doing this week?
Good night, Al. We love you.
Everyone say hey. Hey.
Go home, Jamie's next to the last video.
Doing a slow turn. Slow turn. Is that Heather? Slow turn.
This is video for the night.
Hey. There's the humper.
The helper's here!
Alright, you do this. Love, peace, and chicken.
Who wants that crown?
Word. I just said word to my mother. That's right. You shoot a bird on?
No, I didn't. I was just showing you my finger.
Look, you have a cut on that finger right there?
I have a cut on that finger.
Now you just got on to me for all my pictures on Facebook doing this. Okay.
But I really feel like
Bye. There we go.